Are you still saying, I agree in every conversation? Stop. It makes you sound like a textbook. To sound like a true native speaker, you need variety.
Today, we're giving you 7 smart, natural alternatives that will instantly make you sound more fluent. Number 3 is my favorite. Let's go! Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Tom. Welcome to Daily English Boost.
Today is about fixing a common mistake. If you only use I agree, your English sounds flat and you limit your expression. Tom, let me ask you something. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza, especially with extra cheese.
Me too. See, I just said me too. I didn't say I agree. That's our first alternative today.
Ha ha! You're already teaching. But yes, that's a perfect example. So, Lisa, why is it a problem to say, I agree too much?
Well, it's not exactly a problem, but native speakers don't use I agree as often as English learners think. We use many different expressions to show agreement.
Right. If you only say, I agree in every conversation, you sound a bit repetitive and maybe even formal.
Exactly. It's like eating pizza every single day. Pizza is great, but sometimes you want pasta or a sandwich, right?
Hey, did you just compare English phrases to food?
Haha, yes, I did, but it's true. Variety makes everything better.
I love it. Okay, so let's start with our 7 smart ways to say yes. Lisa, what's number 1?
Number 1 is exactly. This is a very common and enthusiastic way to agree. It means yes, you are absolutely right.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine I say, English grammar can be confusing sometimes. You could respond, exactly, especially irregular verbs.
Oh, that's good. So, exactly shows strong agreement. You're saying the other person understood the situation perfectly?
Yes. And it sounds very natural. Native speakers use this all the time.
You know what, Lisa? I probably say exactly 10 times a day.
Exactly.
See what you did there? Perfect example.
I couldn't resist. Okay, number 2 is absolutely. This is similar to exactly, but maybe even stronger.
Right. Absolutely means 100% yes, no doubt about it.
For example, if someone asks, is it important to practice English every day? You can say, absolutely. Practice makes perfect.
I love that one. It shows enthusiasm and confidence.
And here's a fun fact. Sometimes we say absolutely by itself as a complete answer.
Like if I ask, should we make more videos like this? You just say absolutely.
Absolutely.
Okay, what's number 3?
Number 3 is, that's true. This one is a bit more neutral. It's not as enthusiastic as exactly or absolutely, but it's very natural.
Can you use it in a sentence?
Of course. If someone says learning a language takes time, you can respond, that's true, but it's worth the effort.
I like that. It's simple and conversational.
Yes, and sometimes people say true by itself. It's more casual.
Oh, yes, especially in casual conversations with friends. Did you watch the game last night? True, I did.
Wait, that doesn't work.
Okay, bad example. Let me try again. Pizza is the best food. True.
Much better. Though I might say debatable, because sushi is pretty amazing.
Okay. Moving on to number 4. This one is my favorite.
Oh, this is a great one. It directly acknowledges the other person's point.
For example, if Lisa says, we should take a break after studying for 2 hours, I can say, You're right. Let's get some coffee.
Perfect example. And you know what? You can make it even more enthusiastic by saying, "You're absolutely right," or "You're totally right."
Yes, the word totally makes it sound more casual and friendly.
Exactly. Young people especially use totally a lot.
That movie was boring. Totally.
Okay, now you're getting it. What's number 5?
Number 5 is I couldn't agree more. This is a more formal but very strong way to show agreement.
It means your agreement is at the maximum level. You couldn't possibly agree any more than you already do.
For example, if someone says English is such a useful language to learn, you could respond, I couldn't agree more. It opens so many opportunities.
That's perfect. This phrase is great for professional settings, or when you want to sound more polite and formal.
Right. You probably wouldn't use this with your close friends at a party.
No, probably not. Pizza is delicious. I couldn't agree more. That sounds a bit strange at a pizza party.
Yes, maybe just stick with absolutely or totally with friends.
Exactly. Context matters. Okay, number 6 is one of my favorites. That makes sense.
Oh, yes, this is very useful. It means you understand the logic and you agree with it.
For example, if someone explains, "I'm learning English because I want to travel," you can say, "That makes sense. English is spoken in many countries."
It's a thoughtful response. You're showing that you listened and understood their reasoning.
And sometimes people say "makes sense" without the that. It's more casual.
I'm tired because I woke up at 5 a.m. Makes sense.
Perfect. You're a natural at this, Tom.
Thank you, I've been practicing. Okay, what's our seventh and final way?
Number 7 is, "I'm with you on that." This is a very friendly, informal way to show agreement.
It means you're on the same side. You share the same opinion.
For example, "I think we should watch a comedy tonight instead of a drama." I'm with you on that. I need a good laugh.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, it's supportive and casual. Great for conversations with friends or colleagues.
And you can also say "I'm with you" by itself. Same meaning, just shorter.
Should we order Chinese food? I'm with you.
Ha ha ha. Now I'm hungry. You keep mentioning food.
Sorry, food is always on my mind.
Mine too. Okay, so let's quickly review all 7 ways. Everyone, listen carefully and repeat with us if you want.
Number 1. Exactly. Strong, enthusiastic agreement.
Number 2, absolutely. Even stronger, 100% yes.
Number 3, that's true, or just true. Neutral and natural.
Number 4, you're right, or you're totally right. Direct acknowledgement.
Number 5, I couldn't agree more. Formal and maximum agreement.
Number 6, that makes sense, or makes sense. Logical agreement.
And number 7, I'm with you on that. Or I'm with you. Friendly and supportive.
Wow, that's a lot of options. And we didn't say "I agree" once.
Actually, we just did. You just said it.
Oh no, Tom, you caught me. But you know what I mean. We have so many better alternatives.
Absolutely. Now let's do a quick practice. I'll say something and you respond with one of our 7 phrases. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Learning English takes patience and practice.
That's true. It's a journey, not a race.
Good. Okay, next one. Coffee is the best drink in the morning.
Absolutely. I can't function without my morning coffee.
Me neither. Okay, one more. We should make more fun English videos like this one.
I'm with you on that. Our viewers seem to really enjoy them.
Perfect. You use three different phrases naturally, 1980s. Now, viewers, it's your turn to practice.
Yes. We want you to think of a sentence, any sentence about anything you like.
Then practice responding with one of our 7 phrases. You can write it in the comments below.
For example, you could write, English is important for my career. Absolutely. It opens many doors.
Or, pizza is delicious. You're right, especially with extra cheese.
Tom. There you go with the food again.
Ha ha. I can't help it. But seriously, practicing these phrases will make your English sound much more natural.
And remember, you don't need to memorize all 7 at once. Start with 2 or 3 that feel comfortable.
Yes, maybe start with exactly, and that makes sense because they're very versatile.
Then, when you feel confident, add absolutely and you're right to your vocabulary.
Before you know it, you'll be using all 7 phrases without even thinking about it.
That's the goal! Natural, automatic English.
Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about one important thing: tone of voice.
Oh, yes, this is so important. The same phrase can sound different depending on how you say it.
For example, if I say exactly with enthusiasm, it sounds positive and friendly.
But if you say exactly with a flat, bored tone, it might sound sarcastic or uninterested.
Right. So, practice saying these phrases with energy and a smile.
Even if people can't see your face, they can hear your smile in your voice.
That's true. See what I did there?
Perfect. Now, let's do our question of the day.
Which of these 7 phrases will you use this week? Practice right now by writing a sentence in the comments below.
We promise to reply to you.
Absolutely.
Look at you, Tom, using the new vocabulary already.
I'm practicing. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more daily boosts.
Thanks for watching. Stop saying I agree and start sounding natural.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.